Welcome to MVTV News. This is Apeksha Gadre giving you today's news bulletin.
Cost of veggies shoot up the sky, effect of heavy rain seen. Eating to get costlier, 20% likely to be increased. On 23 spots in Navi Mumbai, 8,053 idols emerged in the city. Handicraft Gujarat Utsav at Surco Urbanat organized.
To bring transparency in work, City and Industrial Corporation Limited has initiated a special drive for the disposing of files under 12.5% land scheme.
Making the 12.5% process more transparent, City and Industrial Development Corporation Limited taking initiative have started special drive for disposing of files under 12.5% land scheme titled as Sanchika Nirgati Mohim is scheduled to be launched on October 3 and will decide issues pertaining to pending files under the scheme. To make the process transparent, all the findings will be put in the public domain. They will also be published on the website and at Village Panchayat. Time-bound disposal program for all 95 villages has been chalked and will publish shortly. The major component of 12.5% pertains mainly to the plots that have already been allotted. The process of land acquisition to the land allotment under 12.5% scheme, which will be handled by the 12.5% Sanchika Nirgati Mohim. In the second component of the drive, cases where the plots have been allotted but problems such as encroachments, mangroves, acquisition issues, etc., they will be handled through a special officer. News Desk, MVTV.
Eating outside is likely to get even more expensive in the coming days, with the city restaurants considering rising prices by minimum of 20% looking at the increasing cost.
Food inflation rate has seen a continuous rise. Restaurant businesses have faced an increase of at least 30 to 40% in all expenses, including ingredients, fuel, electricity, water charges and manpower. To cope up with this, restaurant owners will have to increase the charges by at least 20%. Restaurants in the city revise their charges annually, normally in the last quarter. The biggest hit has come from the onion prices, with some eateries charging extra to serve it on the other side or cutting corners by replacing them with other. Hoteliers have stopped putting onions in side salad. They now provide them on demand and charge them extra by ₹10 for 8 to 10 slices. Hoteliers are also using cheap vegetables such as tomato or cabbage extensively, and many have switched to frozen peas instead of more expensive fresh ones. Restaurant owners cannot sustain their businesses for long with these increased costs. They will have to pass on to the customers, charging 20% more. Video journalist Vivek Gaikwad with Narendra Pandey, MVTV.
पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या, saying this with great zeal on 10th day Anant Chaturdashi, Ganpati Bappa was emerged. At 23 spots in Navi Mumbai, immersion was concluded on Wednesday. Of 536 idols belong to Sarvajanik Ganesh Mandals and 7,517 were household.
Ganpati Bappa Moria, पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या, shouting with great zeal and enthusiasm on Wednesday in the procession of dhol and tashas bursting the crackers, most favorite Lord Ganpati Bappa was bid off by the devotees. At 23 spots in Navi Mumbai, immersion of Ganesh idols was concluded with great enthusiasm. Thousands of devotees gathered together on the creeks and ponds for the immersion. About 8,053 idols were immersed. Into Vashi Creek, 92 Sarvajanik Ganesh Mandals and 1,213 household Ganesh idols were immersed. Belapur, Sarvajanik 71 and 1,227 household idols. Nerul 70 Sarvajanik Ganesh idols, 1,217 household. Airoli 41 Sarvajanik, 657 household. Digha 80 Sarvajanik and 498 household. Total of these, 536 idols belong to Sarvajanik Ganesh Mandals and 7,517 household were immersed. With heavy security to avoid any untoward incident, Ganesh immersion in Navi Mumbai was concluded peacefully. Video journalist Amol Kamble and Vivek Gaikwad with Narendra Pandey, MVTV.
Well, it's time for a short break now. Stay tuned to MVTV.
देख के होने लगा है चर्चा शहर भर।
आसमान से परी उतर के आई है इस ज़मीं पर।
कलाविधि, 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 कलाविधि। उभर के आई जवानी, देख के हर कोई मुझे पुकारे, आजा दिल की रानी। दुनिया सारी आज अचानक मेहरबान हुई मुझ पर।
आसमान से परी उतर के आई है इस ज़मीं पर।
कलाविधि, 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 कलाविधि।
रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स का एक्सक्लूसिव शोरूम फॉर मेल, फीमेल एंड किड्स। डिजाइनर साड़ीज, ब्राइडल वेयर, पार्टी वेयर एंड कैजुअल वेयर, रंग बिरंगे कपड़े बाबा और बेबी के लिए। कलाविधि, शॉप नंबर 49 to 51, पटेल हेरिटेज, सेक्टर 7, खारघर, नवी मुंबई।
Welcome back after the short break. After a brief respite during the festive season, vegetable prices have once again gone through the roof this week. The reason ultimately heavy rains in the state.
Heavy rains in the state, prices of almost all vegetables have increased by at least 40 to 50%, while the cost of onions touched a new high of rupees 70 to 80 a kg in the retail market. Good quality green peas are either not available or being sold at rupees 200 a kg. Respite during the festive season on, vegetable prices have once again gone through the roof this week. Heavy rains in the rural areas such as Nasik, Satara and Sangli has led to reduce the vegetable supply to the city, which has an average requirement of around 550 vegetable vehicles. Rain affected the supply of vegetables as the farmers avoid entering the fields. Increase in the price of veggies is because production in the state has stopped. The vegetable demand in the city is likely to go up further during the ongoing Pitru Paksha, a 15-day period to honor ancestors. Looking the cost of vegetables in retail market, tomatoes 40 to 60 rupees per kg, coriander 20 to 30 rupees, cabbage 40 to 48 rupees, cauliflower 60 to 80 rupees, carrots 40 rupees, ladies finger 60 rupees, drumstick 50 rupees. These scoring veggie prices are pinching the pockets of the buyers. Video journalist Vivek Gaikwad with Narendra Pandey, MVTV.
At Agroli village, Sarvajanik Vishwakarma Pujan was concluded. Puja of Vishwakarma Lord was performed. For the Vishwakarma community, this day is marked as important.
Near Agroli village Hanuman temple, Sarvajanik Vishwakarma Pujan was organized. Puja of Vishwakarma Lord was performed during this eve. It was the 7th year to organize this puja. For the Vishwakarma community, this is the day of happiness and marks as important day. Communities celebrated this puja enthusiastically. Many devotees seek the blessings of Lord. Bhajan, Kirtan and also Mahaprasad was organized for the devotees. Vishwakarma is known as the creator of nature, was said by the devotees of the community.
विश्वकर्मा भगवान जी हमारे विश्व के रचयिता हैं। उनके द्वारा पूरा संसार बना हुआ, उन्हीं के द्वारा जो कुछ दिया हुआ है, हस्तकला, मानव शरीर, जो कुछ है सब उन्हीं का दिया हुआ है और हम उसको आज 8वां साल मना रहे हैं।
ये विश्वकर्मा पूजा हमारे लिए बहुत ही खुशी का दिन है। हम लोग इसको बड़े उत्सव से मनाते हैं। इसको करते हुए हमें बहुत बड़ी खुशी होती है। ये हम 7 साल से करते हुए आ रहे हैं कि ये विश्व के रचयिता है। इन्हीं ने जो आज जितनी भी कलाएं हैं इन्हीं के द्वारा पैदा की हुई है।
लोग जो है विश्वकर्मा समाज से बहुत खुशी होती है सारे परिवार को जोड़ करके। उसके बाद जो हम बहुत हर्षोल्लास से मनाते हैं और उसके बाद भंडारा रखते हैं। सब लोग की नवी मुंबई से जो मुंबई के वासियों से निवेदन करते हैं सब मिलके आके हाथ बटाएं और हमारा सहयोग करें।
वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट रोशन एडके फॉर MVTV.
At Sirgo Urban Haat, Gujarat, Handicraft Utsav 2013 is organized for the first time ever. Around 70 to 80 various item stalls are being displayed.
In Sidco Urban Hut at Belapur, Gujarat, Handicraft Utsav 2013 is first time ever organized. This Utsav is organized from 20th to 29th September. 70 to 80 various stalls are being displayed in this Utsav. It is the first time where artisans from Gujarat have placed these stalls.
ये गुजरात सरकार के कॉटेज एंड रूरल इंडस्ट्रीज डिपार्टमेंट की ओर से गुजरात की हस्तकला का पूरा नज़ारा यहाँ मुंबई के लोगों को दिखाने के लिए, उनको नवी मुंबई और मुंबई दोनों के लोगों को दिखाने के लिए पूरा नज़ारा यहाँ पेश किया गया है, जिसमें गुजरात हैंडीक्राफ्ट उत्सव नाम से हम 20 से 29 तारीख तक यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले किया जाएगा। इसमें हमारे गुजरात के कच्छ के आर्टिजन्स भी हैं जो अपनी कच्छ की बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध हस्तकला एम्ब्रॉयडरी वगैरह लेके आए हैं। भावनगर का बीड वर्क है, उसके अलावा अहमदाबाद की चनिया चोली, और ये जो अभी नवरात्रि आ रही है तो उसके जो ज्वेलरी होती है वो भी यहाँ पर है।
In this handicraft Utsav, chappals, various imitation jewelry for ladies, garlands, designer boxes, saris, various clothes for kids are also being displayed.
मेरा प्रोडक्ट है शीशम की लकड़ी यानी रोज़वुड बोलते हैं, उसमें से और मार्बल चिप्स में से बनाया हुआ फ्रेम्स है जो आजकल सभी टीवी सीरियल्स में स्टेप वाइज लगाते हैं। तो उस तरह का एकदम वेटलेस फ्रेम्स में लेके आया हूँ और उसका कॉस्ट भी इतना कम है कि पेंटिंग्स वगैरह की कॉस्टिंग में सिर्फ 20% में गृह सुशोभन हो सकता है। ऐसा लगता है कि उम्मीद है हमारे को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सेलिंग हो जाएगा।
Beautiful items are available here. Organized for the first time, this Gujarat Utsav will be helpful for the artisans.
ये जो गुजरात महोत्सव बनाया है, इसमें लगभग 70 आर्टिसंस गुजरात के विभिन्न डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आया हुआ है। इतनी अच्छी चीज़ से लाया है, ये पहली बार आया है और इसको आप सब मिलकर इसका ये जो संरम्भ को और इनके प्रयास को सफल कराए ताकि अगले साल भी वो इससे ज़्यादा आर्टिसन को लेकर आने का प्रयास करेंगे। पूरे प्रदेश देश की सभी प्रांतों की आर्टिसन को उचित मूल्य मिले और सीधे उपभोक्ताओं को उनका पसंद की चीज़ें मिल जाए, ये उद्देश्य से सिडको ने इस अर्बन आर्ट को निरंतर में लाया है।
Video journalist Vivek Gaikwad with Narendra Pandey, MVTV.
If you want to give us any feedback, please contact our address F106 Sector 4 Market, CBD Belapur. You can also email us on mvtvnews@gmail.com or can contact us on 27571494.
You can now follow us at YouTube, www.youtube.com/user/1MVTV.
This is all we have in today's news bulletin. Have a good day. Keep watching MVTV.